I think everybody needs to have a really good mug cake recipe in their repertoire. There's nothing like being able to whip up fresh, delicious, warm cake on a Tuesday night in 2 minutes. I'm gonna show you my good old standby chocolate mug cake. It's very simple. It happens to be gluten-free, dairy-free. There's no egg in it either. But let's get started because this is gonna come together in a jiffy and it's gonna take 60 seconds in my microwave, and it starts with 3 tablespoons of gluten-free flour. Now this is a 1-to-1 flour, meaning it's the same ratio as if you were using regular flour. It has the xanthan gum and anything else in it that you might need. And then I'm going to use a tablespoon of raw cacao. You can also just use regular cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. You could use brown sugar if you wanted, but I love the flavor of coconut sugar. Tastes like a toasted marshmallow, seriously. And then just a tiny, tiny pinch of salt. I'm going to use just a smidge of cinnamon, and then I need a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now my liquid ingredients. Because this is dairy-free, I'm going to need 3 tablespoons of your favorite dairy-free milk. I like coconut milk. It has a nice fat content in it, so it makes for a really luxurious chocolate cake. And then olive oil. You can also use like a grapeseed oil or kind of a neutral vegetable oil if you want, but I really like what olive oil does for this cake. It's just very decadent tasting without being a decadent oil. Okay, I think that's kind of all I need right now. I'm gonna give it a little mix. All right, then I'm gonna do a tablespoon of chocolate chips, just kind of drop them in there. And these are sweetened with erythritol and stevia, so lower sugar. And this goes into my microwave for 60 seconds. There I have it, my chocolate microwave mug cake. And it calls for ice cream, whipped cream, fresh berries, whatever. Ooh. Oh, nice. Look at that kind of molten-ish lava of those little melted chocolate chips in the middle of that. This is really good. It's raining outside now. It just started raining, and I'm gonna dig into a warm chocolate cake on a rainy day, so happy place.